welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Jordan Classen about how beef cattle turn pasture into protein. And now Jordan is back with a recipe to share. Taryn is joining her now with more.
All right, thank you, John. Yes, Jordan, you have a great recipe that's perfect for this time of year. Something that, could you make it ahead of time?
Yes, yeah. So I love crockpot meals, especially this time of year. And so this is a just classic pot roast. So we'll start with the celery and onion mixture.
Okay.
These are frozen onion shallots that I get from the store, and then celery stalks chopped up. And then in the crock pot, we add our roast in. For that roast, you want to get some olive oil in your pan and pan sear it. And then we add in our tomato paste and beef stock mixture just to give it a little bit of juice. And then we'll go ahead and add in our key ingredient is red wine vinegar, excuse me. And then some extra seasonings. I use nutmeg and cloves this time of year. So I cook it for about 5 to 8 hours, depending on how frozen that roast is. And then I pre-cook the carrots and serve it over mashed potatoes.
Wow, all right. Where did you find this recipe?
It's kind of a hybrid of a few different ones, and the tomato paste is kind of what gives it the true pot roast flavor.
Okay, and we're looking at the ingredients there for folks. We will have this on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page too. It's actually there already if you want to go there and copy the ingredients down, because I know folks really love these Common Ground recipes. All right, so do you put this in like maybe as you start your day, and then would it be ready when you come home from work?
So if the roast is completely frozen or partially thawed, it'll be ready by the time I get home. Otherwise, if my husband is at the house around noon, then I have him put it on if it's a little more thawed. So.
Okay, because how many hours in the crock pot?
About 5 to 8, just depending on how frozen that roast is.
Cool.
Yep.
And this is what it looks like when it's done.
Yeah.
Perfect. And what do you serve it with again?
I serve it over a bed of potatoes, and then I do steamed carrots on the side.
Okay, mashed potatoes with that. Very, very good.
Yep.
I know John loves a good pot roast.
Yeah, it's a stick to your bones kind of supper.
Now this is great. Do you make it a lot this time?
Yeah, I do. And just it's a good way to use that whole animal using those roasts up. So.
Okay, perfect. Again, this is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you want to give it a try. Jordan, thank you so much for coming in.
Yes, of course.